Today is day 9 of Master SQL with Spark series. Today we are going to study a very important concept in SQL, and it is asked in most of the interviews, and it is very important for the aspect of interviews. So that is joins. So for joins we are going to study three joins today, inner, left and right join. So let's see. So we have basically two tables, customer table where we have customer ID and name, and another one is orders table where we have ID and product details. So if we want to apply inner join in this, so what inner join will do, it will fetch all the IDs which is common in both the tables. So let's suppose we join the tables using customer ID from the customer table and ID from the orders table. So what is common here? You can see 1 and 2 is common in both the tables. So when we apply inner join, it will join only to the common IDs between both the tables. So inner join fetches these two IDs 1 and 2. Let's go to the next one. So left join. Left join, what it does, so let's suppose we want to join two tables and we kept customer table as the left table and we join it to the orders table. When we do that, what happens? From the customer table, all the IDs will be fetched, but from the orders table, only the ID that is in common will be fetched in left join. So how many records will be there? 4 records from this table and 2 records from this table. Now, the next thing is right join. So as the name suggests, if we keep the orders as the right table, all the IDs from this table will be fetched and only the common tables from the customer table will be fetched. So now let's see the SQL as well as PySpark code for these joins. So here you can see we have two tables, customer tables and orders table. So we have used the common IDs, customer IDs 1 and 2. So when we use inner join, right, you can see only 1 and 2 are getting fetched because it is common in both the tables 1 and 2. So now left join you can see all the IDs from the left tables are fetched, but because in the left table we don't have these details, this is not having any details in the left table, so we are getting null here. And similarly in the right join, you can see that all the records from the right tables are visible here, so that's why we have some null because these tables are not present in the left table. Let's see the equivalent PySpark code for this. So the code wise, right? So you can use right join, and then you can use the on keyword, and then you can specify the condition on which the join will happen. So we can use right join, left join, or inner join, and we can give the IDs on which the join condition will be there. So join condition is important for the join. Now let's see the PySpark code. So in PySpark code, you can see that here we are using customer DF. So first one is customer table and order DF. You can see order DF here. So we have to use join condition, and inside this, right, we have to write the condition, like which join will be there, on what condition that join will happen. So here you can see we are using order DF. So this is the pattern, right? First you have to give the table we want to join, then you have to give the condition on which condition it is going to join, and then you have to give which join we are going to apply on this table, and then select all the columns that is required. So here you can see inner join, the same as the SQL, the same way we have to do the right as well as left join.